Hello friend, welcome back to Frank's Workstation. Today's video is all about the surge protector, also known as a voltage protector. Some people call it a stabilizer, a voltage regulator, or even a circuit breaker stabilizer. Whatever name you know it by, we're all talking about the same powerful device. There are many companies out there that manufacture this device, and each one may come with slightly different designs or settings. But here's the good news. No matter the brand, the core settings are basically the same. Once you understand how to set up one surge protector or voltage regulator, you can confidently set up any other manufacturer's product. The principles don't change, only the branding does. Now let's walk through the major settings on this voltage protector and what each one means. At the top, you'll see the display voltage. This simply shows the current voltage coming into your home or building in real time. Next is UP, which stands for over voltage protection. This setting tells the device the maximum voltage it should allow. If the voltage goes above this value, the protector will automatically cut off power to keep your appliances safe. After that, we have LO, the undervoltage protection setting. This controls the lowest voltage allowed. If the power drops below this level, the device disconnects to prevent damage from low voltage. Then comes UT, which is the voltage protection action time. This determines how fast the device reacts when there's a voltage problem. Next is PC, the overcurrent protection value. This setting limits how much current is allowed to pass through the device. If the current exceeds this value, power is cut off. After that, we have CT, the overcurrent protection action time. This controls how long the device waits before responding to an overcurrent situation. Then we see CC, which stands for continuous overcurrent protection times. This setting controls how many times overcurrent is allowed before the device fully locks out or shuts down protection. Finally, we have AT, the recovery delay time. This is the waiting period before power is restored after a fault. This delay is very important for appliances like refrigerators, freezers, and air conditioners. The beauty of this device is simple. Once you understand these settings here, you can confidently set up almost any voltage protector regardless of the brand. Different names, same functions, same protection.